This is one of our customers' car, Matt Schaub. He also has the blue plow truck that we did the video on this last winter, plowing our lot and making the boosty poles with the super heavy trailer on the back of it. This is his 1987 Cutlass, and we did an engine swap on it, LS engine swap on it, did a T56 Magnum in it. It's got a 12-bolt rear end, 456 gears, full exhaust, and it makes right at about 390 tire horsepower. It is a fun car to drive, still got AC on it and everything.
She told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'.
Schaub is about to make a half-mile pass and probably use all 6 of his gears. He was the 139.14.